How to draw Arkansas. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Today we are going to be learning how to draw the outline of the state Arkansas. We are going to start by drawing a straight horizontal line near the top of our page for the top outline of Arkansas. Then from the top right of this line, we are going to draw a small curved line and then a diagonal line going downwards to the left. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw a small straight line going to the right from the bottom of that diagonal line. This straight line will be about the same length as the diagonal line that we just drew. Then we are going to draw the left side of our outline of Arkansas. We are going to draw a line right here that goes inwards a little bit at the top and then straight down. Nice job! Then at the bottom of that, we are going to draw a very small squiggly line going down to the right a little bit. Then connecting to that, we are going to draw an upside down L. This line will go to the right a little bit and then downwards. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! We are almost finished. For the next step, we are going to draw a straight line from where we left off going to the right. Then for the final step of drawing our outline of Arkansas, we are going to draw a long squiggly line right here. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! We are all finished. This is How to Draw Arkansas. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up below, and if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, comment down below what you would like us to draw next, and stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in. Thanks for drawing with me today, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. I can't wait to do it again soon. See you next time.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew! If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.